she is in all her glory. Stock glory, I should say. Idles perfectly. Perfect. Fine details. There's these headlights I was talking about. Brand new. And there she is. I do have these plastics, I just gotta find them and stick them on for the sides, but everything is back to stock. Alright, ISF updates. Hold on. We've got the stock injectors back in, and then we've got the factory tune with the rear O2s deleted. So it's emissions ready. It's totally back to stock, 100%. So hopefully I don't like the car again after I test drive it. Okay, we'll do a little pull here from a stop. Wow, super smooth. I don't think I've ever driven it like this, because when I bought it I went straight to the supercharger. So this is cool. This is really nice. Yeah, awesome. And then so the suspension, I've actually never driven it, well I have, but not recently, on the factory wheels and tires. I've always had the slicks on there, and I've never been able to corner or do any kind of handling with them because they're just meant for straight line. I mean, you run those things with like 16 psi in them, and they're there for grip, not for handling. So this is what a stockish ISF feels like. And don't forget, we still have our QTP valve on there and the exhaust. So if you want to make things a little silly, we can still do that. Okay. We're still even on 40-50% E85. It still has to go get diluted with the pump gas. Quicker with the exhaust open. Definitely sounds the part. So that's it, off into the sunset. Might be my final drive with this car if we can find a buyer. But just gotta snap this in from when I did the fuel pump. It's a little bit loose. And you know, a little bit of wear on the bolsters, but that's to be expected for the mileage. Everything else is in great condition. Took out the gauge, no more gauge in the glove box. And that's it. What do you guys think? Should I keep it, sell it? Do you want it? I love it. It's a great car in stock form, or semi-stock form, a little bit of modifications maybe. But thanks for watching. Take care.